Hi everybody and welcome back to the Paperless Movement YouTube channel. Today I'm really excited. You might see the difference. This is now the final brand design. It's black, white and green. And this was actually the colors all along, but there was blue sneaking in, and with the blue shirt and all this, I lost the brand thing. Is it all about brand? No, but it's much easier for me to identify myself with the Paperless Movement and to create assets and videos and all this, all in a structured way. And this is what's all about. This is how you can increase productivity, being efficient by having a defined set of conventions and definitions. This is the foundation instead of reinventing each content. So if you have some things like defined colors and a way how you edit your videos and the way how you work, then you can accelerate everything. And it's the same for the business. It's the same for productivity systems in general. We are looking at things that we can automate, that we can delegate, or that we can just get rid of. So I'm excited that we entered now Paperless Movement 2.5. Why it's 2.5? Because on January 27th, 2022, we will launch officially the ICOR Mastery. So we will talk about input, control, output, refine inside the Paperless Movement membership. You will have worksheets, you will have group calls, you will have everything in there. And there also comes along a big change to the Paperless Movement membership in general. But before we dive into this, I want to give a big thank you to all of you. For all of you who are subscribed to this channel, everybody who is watching these videos, giving them thumbs up and telling others about these videos, this really helped tremendously. And if you missed this, I actually quit my full-time job and went full-time Paperless Movement. I want to really serve my people inside the Paperless Movement membership and provide these free, not sponsored videos in the future as well, thanks to the support of my members. And it's the second anniversary of the membership. So a quick recap here. In 2018, I launched the Paperless Movement. Then I published the ebook Paperless Note Taking Like a Pro. I started with the first courses like how to use Noteshelf like a pro, how to build a digital journal like a pro, and all these became now accessible inside the Paperless Movement membership, which was launched in November 2019 as it was requested by my followers. People really wanted to have this membership and find a place where we can communicate with each other and so on. So earlier this year, in January, I launched already Paperless Movement 2.0, which was a complete new experience when it comes to community. All the courses that I launched are like Apple Notes course, the Notion course is launched, Coda, and so many more courses are in there. And now with the big ICOR Mastery launching in January, this will be the big change. But I had to make a decision. All right, how do I actually provide this content to you guys and girls? And I wanted to give you still a tier on a monthly basis to join to access everything. Like the tool courses, you can access the community, you can engage this, you can even join group coaching calls there as well, and so many things more. So if you want to check out the details, go to the website, you will see it there, or just keep watching the video. We will dive into a few of the things as well later on. But with the ICOR Matrix, this is really the next level, I would say. So if you just want to check out our course or want to learn a specific tool in more detail, or just want to be part of the community, this monthly subscription will stay there. And we had a yearly subscription already, and this yearly subscription was just the same as the monthly, but you could save 2 months this way. All right, this was just how it was. Now there's the change coming. The ICOR Mastery is a signature course and will involve a lot of one-on-one coaching with me. You will have direct access to me. So for this reason, I separated the yearly subscription now from the monthly subscription. So the monthly will stay as it is. You will have access to the things that you had access before. I don't take anything away from you, but with the new ICOR Mastery coming, this will only be part of the yearly subscription and lifetime access. You have the chance now to join us for life. And the most important thing is, before we dive into the details, there is an offer running until the 30th of November. There are only 2 days left. So you can still join to the existing price before it goes up. So price is increasing on 1st December. If you want to take the chance and get this price grandfathered, so it doesn't matter how long you stay in there, it doesn't matter how expensive it will become, you will be locked into this price that you sign up today and you will keep it for life. Or you decide to join for life, and this is another offer that will never come back again. So as soon the first December comes, prices will increase. On the 27th of January, when the ICOR Mastery will launch, the prices will increase again. This is how it is. I want to build a team. I want to provide even more value than we already have in the Paperless Movement membership. And I love that you are in there helping me out building this. We are working together on building the ICOR Mastery Code. I have coaching calls with you. I'm listening to what you actually need to be successful in your business with your productivity system, and then provide the solutions to you. I have the ICOR Mastery. I have already an idea and prepared already content for ICOR. So when you join today, you have early access to all the content that I already created about ICOR. But now it's about optimizing this and making it perfect so you get a return of investment when you join, that you actually can level up your productivity system, saving time each day and therefore money, right? So if you're interested in this, make sure to join today so you don't miss out this special offer. Now let's check out the state of the website and the membership, right? Okay, here we are. So this is still the old version on the front page, but when you go into the community, you will see already the new brand attached, and we are still consistently working on further rebranding it. And here you see already something. It's called Tom's Corner. In there I have behind the scenes videos where I show in detail all the decisions I made about the branding and other things like, with my little daughter here, and the new vlogging cam, and a lot of changes that I did over time, or when I got new accessories. So this is the behind the scene thing, and I really love sharing this with you guys inside the membership. But what we also have here is the events section, and we had already several events here, which you might know if you follow on the YouTube channel. I have these exclusive interviews with CEOs, with product managers, but also with members, and you can listen to this for free on the podcast. And you have the chance as member to join us live and ask questions and Q&A, which is exclusive for the members inside, before we then publish the recording of this interview. And we also have the bi-weekly group coaching calls and all this. So you have a space where you just come in and then you say, okay, I want to join this group coaching call. We have then here other events happening that I want to show you is related to our partner experts. So we have a section here with partner experts, and you might know Layla talking about ClickUp. So she provided a exclusive walkthrough video through ClickUp, and then all the things that I made together with Layla will also be posted here, even chapterized, so it's easy for you to navigate through this. Then just recently we had Gray McKenzie join. He also made a deep dive for agencies using ClickUp. And we have Stacey Harmon from Harmon Enterprises. You might know her very well as well. She's running a membership especially for Evernote, and she provided a nice video here as well, how to start loving Evernote and learn all the great tips. Then again, when I had any additional interviews where actually community was involved, is also available here. And then we have obviously the different sections where we can deep dive into the different parts of productivity system. So when you know ICOR, then you know I talk about input, control, output, refine, and there we have digital note-taking, document scanning, document management, knowledge management, time and task management, workflow automation. And then, for example, here the name is hidden, because it's a closed community. So I just want to save the exclusivity and make people feel safe inside the communities. However, here I have a good example with one of the Paperless Movement ambassadors, Bas Grolleman. He is running Tools on Tech also on YouTube. He's part of the community as well. And we actually together answered this question via video answer, where we just deep dived into the different things here. And then I just love the engagement that is going on here. Obviously, we have a conversation section where we just share all the newest and latest findings about productivity tools, and also ask for help. So I'm happy to help there. So many more things. And now here you see the ICOR Mastery section. And this is actually the work in progress place. There we have specific ICOR group calls. And this is the only part that is now available for yearly and lifetime members, where we build together this ICOR, which will launch then in January 2022. And then obviously whenever I publish anything, you will have a feed here. So if I was guest in another podcast, you will have access here, and other videos that I published or where I was part of interviews. All this information will be there. And then we have a news, what's new section where I just share whatever I updated in the paperless movement or for the website and so on. So you guys really see how all the stuff is evolving. I really love to be in this community. So the community also contains resources and extras. So whenever I had any other video sessions like with Laura Wan or other CEOs where we talked about things, it will be published here. And then we also have exclusive tool discount section, so where you will have nowhere else on the web. So this is a very fast growing section here, because I'm not sponsored, but I still have a good reputation to get in only the tools that I really recommend and I think is really worth for you using a productivity system. So I reach out to the companies, or maybe I had an interview with the CEO where I can say, hey, what about providing a specific discount that is only available for my members? It's not available out there. I'm not sharing this on YouTube or anywhere else. So this is exclusive for my members. This is just one part. So if we go back to the website, we still have here the tools section. So here are the courses. So when you go here, you will have direct access. Also, as a monthly member, you can just go here and start watching your course. You see the progress, and then you can go through this and watch this course. I give you some deep dive, not about Einstein. I just used him as a reference inside Notion, where I show how to connect the pages and so on. So I really dive deep into the things that really matter, in my opinion, using tools like Notion, Apple Notes and so on. Well, and then of course you have even one-on-one coaching with me. So if you join the yearly subscription or the lifetime access, you will get the opportunity to have a one-on-one coaching with me directly. Happy to help anybody who is struggling his or her way through the productivity world, or actually through the digital productivity world. I'm calling this Paperless Movement 2.5 because I tell you what, this is just the beginning. 2022, once the pricing increases, there's no early access anymore. This low price opportunity will be gone then. If you join today, you have to trust me that I will deliver. And as a thank you, I want to give you this big opportunity before the prices increase to join now, instead of increasing price and say, look, there's something new. We are in this all together, and I'm really excited. The commitment, the engagement of my members. So if you're one of my members watching this, actually, hello, thanks for joining, thanks for your support. Give us a hello in the comments below as well. I'm really, really thankful that I get the opportunity to build this movement to the next level now. Working now towards fulfilling our vision, which is that the paperless movement is here to help any struggling paperless pioneer in the world to leverage the digital world instead of just consuming it. I'm certain once we understand these basics, how to use the digital systems, you will gain the clarity that you really need, and to understand much better what tools to pick in order to level up your digital life. I see you inside the community.